Namaskaram. Welcome to Manam. This is Vashita. In today's episode, we will be looking at the tussar sarees with jacquard weaving, which are available in so many beautiful shades like you can see. And we have a lot of other varieties on our website at manamchennai.com. The link is in the description box below, which will directly lead you to the collections page. So let's get started with today's episode. Now starting off with the first shade, we have this lovely teal blue color saree. It's a beautiful shade, and on the body, as you can see, it's got some lovely jacquard thread weaving work all over, and it's intricate and very beautiful as well. And now for the borders, we have traditional borders. It's got zari borders on both the sides. Now for the pallu, we have jacquard weaving on the pallu as well. It's a very grand pallu. Now this is the blouse. It's got traditional zari borders on both the sides and jacquard thread weaving work on the blouse as well. And this saree is priced at rupees 1395. Now moving on to the next shade, we have this off-white color saree, and on the body it has jacquard weaving work all over. It's intricately weaved. And now for the borders, we have zari borders on both the sides. Now this is the pallu. It's brown pallu. As you can see, it's got thread weaving work all over it. This is a jacquard blouse. It's got thread weaving on the blouse, and it also has traditional borders on both the sides. And you can also pair the saree with another thread blouse just like the one that I am wearing, and it's got embroidery on it and it's a contrasting shade. And you can also pair it with a plain blouse if you want to go for a simple look. And these blouses are also available on our website at manamchennai.com, so don't forget to check that out as well. And this saree is priced at rupees 1395. Now for the next shade, we have this beautiful green color saree, and on the body it's got jacquard thread weaving work all over it, and it also has a double-sided golden zari border. The pallu also has the same thread weaving work on it. Now this is the blouse. We have the same color over here, no contrast. It's got double-sided traditional borders with thread weaving on the blouse, and this saree is priced at rupees 1395. Moving on to the next shade, we have this beautiful black color saree. It's a very rich and elegant looking saree. On the body, it's got jacquard thread weaving work all over. As you can see, it's got beautiful design, and now for the borders, it's got traditional golden zari borders on both the sides. Now this is the pallu. It's got beautiful and intricate weaving. It's got thread weaving on the pallu as well. For the blouse, we have a jacquard blouse in the same shade with golden zari borders, and this saree is also priced at rupees 1395. Now moving on to the next shade, we've got this rich pink color saree, again a lovely shade. Now on the body, it's got the same jacquard weaving work. It's also got traditional borders on both the sides. This is a heavily worked pallu, just like the other sarees. It's got thread weaving on it. Now this is the blouse. It's a jacquard blouse with borders on both the sides, and this saree is very affordable and it is priced at rupees 1395. Now for the next shade, we have this mauve pink, again a very different color, and it's got borders on both the sides with golden zari and jacquard thread weaving on the body. Now on the pallu, we have jacquard weaving on it as well, and it's got a beautiful light brown shade contrasting to the pink body. Now for the blouse, we have the same jacquard weaving on it, and it's also got traditional borders, and it's the same color as the body. And this saree is also priced at rupees 1395. Moving on to the next shade, this beautiful and rich dark green color saree. Now for the body, we have two traditional borders on both the sides, and it also has the thread weaving work all over the body. This is the pallu with the same thread weaving work on the pallu. Now we have a jacquard blouse in the same shade with traditional borders, and this saree is also priced at rupees 1395. Now we have a cement grey color saree. It's a lovely shade, very light and beautiful. Now for the borders, it's traditional borders, golden zari borders on both the sides, and on the body it has jacquard thread weaving work like the other sarees. This is the pallu. It's got thread weaving work on the pallu also. We have the same shade for the blouse. It's a jacquard blouse with borders on both the sides, and this saree is also priced at rupees 1395. Now to end today's episode, we have this beautiful and royal shade. It's a blue color. It's royal blue, and it's got zari borders on both the sides in gold, and it also has the jacquard thread weaving work all over the body. We have intricate jacquard thread weaving for the pallu as well. Now this is the same shade. It's no contrast here, and it has jacquard thread weaving on it and borders on both the sides, and this saree is priced at rupees 1395. We also have this lovely purple color saree, the one that I am wearing, with the same jacquard thread weaving work on the body and two borders in golden zari on both the sides, and the same goes for the pallu as well, and we also have a jacquard blouse along with it. And this saree can also be paired with a contrasting blouse just like the one that I am wearing, and it is priced at rupees 1395. Thank you for watching today's episode, and if you liked any of the sarees that we have showcased today, don't don't forget to check it out on our website at manamchennai.com. The link is in the description box below. And like and share this video with your friends and hit that bell icon for instant updates, and subscribe to our YouTube channel Manam Silks. Happy shopping at Manam.